Congratulations, you created your absentify workspace as an administrator, and now we will continue to set it up. We will look today at allowances and leave types. You as an administrator can see the overview, my calendar, settings and insights, while normal users only see overview in my calendar. And later your department managers will also see the insights, but only the admins can set up the whole thing. So we will start here with allowances. We created already the allowance for you, vacation. You can edit it here. What can you do here actually? So in this case, it means that by the end of March, there will be no days any longer a user can carry over from the previous year. If you want the user to still use some days after the end of March from the previous year, you can simply change the number here. To example, 5 days. Click Save. We then continue with leave types. We created already a set of leave types for you, the most important ones, and we will look now at vacation. You can always edit with the pencil icon here. There are several tabs, and I will go through it quickly. Here you have the general translation we put already in place for you. You have also the duration unit. In the free plan, you can choose half day and day. If you are on a paid plan, you can go down to 5 minutes as duration unit for a leave type. You can decide about the icon and the color and also the privacy. If you activate this toggle, the users will only see in each other's calendars absent, but not the actual name of the leave type. Go on to behavior and decide if this shall count as leave or not. In this case, vacation, we activated this toggle already because it means the user will not be available, for example, to serve as a representative for another colleague. Also, you can decide here if it requires approval or not, and also if a representative shall be required or not. In the next tab, you can decide on the synchronization to Outlook, either per created request or if the request is approved or you want to disable this at all. You can also decide on the entry. Is it shown as free, busy, etc.? In this case, it's vacation, so you want to have it as out of office. And you can also decide on the event subject or simply leave this empty and go on to the next tab. In the allowance tab, you have the linkage to the allowance we just reviewed before. We activated this toggle already, and this means as soon as a user requests for this leave type vacation, it will take from his or her vacation allowance. So the balance will be smaller. In the free plan, we only have one allowance. This is why you cannot select from the drop-down. If you are on a paid plan and want to have several allowances, you can link here the right allowance to the right leave type. There are further settings for ignoring public holiday and ignoring a user's schedule. If you want it, you can activate it. In most cases, you don't want that a public holiday is like counting and is deducted as from allowance. In the advanced tab, you have here the reason. You can decide if the reason is mandatory or not, and also about the hint text and if you want to restrict the visibility of the reason or not. If you activate, only the requester, approver, manager and the admin will see the reason, but not the other users. In case of sick leave as leave type, you may also want to activate the file upload toggle, for example, for medical certificates. That's it. Now you're already done with the leave type. Simply click Save if you made any changes, and you can go through all the other leave types this way, or also create a new one.